Paratha chicken pizza. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making chicken paratha pizza in my kitchen. So let's make chicken paratha pizza. Oil add. Ginger and garlic paste. One kilo boneless chicken. Finely chopped green chilies. Salt, red chili, turmeric, cumin dry, coriander. Paratha. Add pizza sauce. Add cheese. Chicken. Again, cheese. Capsicum, onion. Just watch it. Put it in the bowl for 3 minutes and slice it and eat it with pleasure. Here is our delicious pizza. Enjoy Paratha pizza, which is ready in a very short time and is very tasty.